Well, HP reporting EPS of 52 cents. That is smack in line with what the street was looking for. Revenue, though, of $14.71 billion. That is light. The street was looking for $14.86 billion. Turning to the guide, HP says to look for Q2 EPS between 50 and 53 cents. That's in line. For the year, they reaffirmed their call here for EPS between 212 and 222. Free cash flow of $700 million. They returned $1 billion to shareholders in the quarter. Did have the chance to catch up with HP CEO Dion Weisler. Just about that top line missed. He talked about this shortage of Intel chips that we know the industry is dealing with here, and that did, he said, impact HP in the quarter. I did ask him about his outlook for the overall PC market. Dion Weisler telling us that he expects the first half of the year to be more challenging than the second half. He expects tailwinds, though, from the Windows 10 refresh. I did ask him also about these implications from the trade dispute, from tariffs. Is he seeing any impact from that on his business? He said the impact from tariffs has been incorporated into guidance. He believes in free trade, he said. They operate in 170 countries. Asked him what could be coming down the road in terms of the trade dispute and tariffs. He said we don't chase ghosts. Turning to the segments real quickly, I would just note Personal Systems at $9.66 billion, Printing at $5.1 billion. Within that, executives did mention some challenges they saw in the quarter when it comes to supply, so you can expect them to hit that on the call, which is coming up at 5 p.m. Eastern. Guys, back to you.
Josh, many thanks for that.
Yeah, as Mike Santoli, you know, very similar comments to what we've heard to some of the other tech companies, that the first half is probably going to be more painful than the second half. The other thing that has, and it's been more of a theme coming out of this earnings season than perhaps we've talked about. I've certainly seen it with some of the industrial companies, for example. The idea that maybe the worst pain in terms of the tariffs that are already on place is already priced in.
Right. It seems as if they maybe took the hit, or at least have now acknowledged them. They built it into some of the guidance. So that is the upbeat take on that, possible.
The shortage of Intel chips, if that impacted the one-off quarter as well, was something that quite a few analysts have pointed to, and the guidance at least reaffirmed. So we'll see if they can get their performance going in the year ahead, but it's down currently 2.5%.